Let me tell you what an algorithm is. An algorithm is a computer software that's built in all websites. It's built in Google and all the search engines, and every single website, there's algorithms that are built into it. And what they do is in your computer, you have what's called breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs are like, you see breadcrumbs on the table, someone had a sandwich. So they put these little breadcrumbs, little bits of information of where you've been. It's like a roadmap. And some people say, well, I don't want anybody to know. No matter what, they're going to know. You're on the internet, they're going to find out. Doesn't matter. You can say, don't follow me. They're going to follow you anyway. It's just the way the software works. Now, what happens is your computer and your cell phone is leaving breadcrumbs on there because it's actually saving a profile of the things that you like and the things that you don't like. So when you like something, and it tells that you like it because you're on that page for a little while. If you don't like it, that means you just kind of went right by it. And so when you go by real fast, then it looks at you and says, and it builds on the profile, he doesn't like that website or that person. And it could be cars or clothes and makeup. So for instance, I don't ever get any ads for makeup because I don't like makeup. I don't wear makeup, so it's no need for me. But a lot of ladies get ads for makeup and beauty products because they sit there reading stories and so forth, and all of that has all the coding inside of those. They're called algorithms. So when on social media, when you see down below on social media, it has the thumbs and the heart, has the happy face or the smile or laughter or even angry face. All those are called interactions. And when you click on them, you're actually like superpowering your social media. And when you put thumbs or you put hearts, the difference between the two, the thumbs say he likes it, the hearts say he loves it. Your computer says, push more of this. And the thumbs say, push some of this. So just a thumbs up is some of this, hearts are more of this. If you put an angry face, it says he hates this. So what happens is the next bit of information, the website, the advertisement, and so forth, it's going to show you more of what you love, a little bit of what you like, none of what you hate. So sometimes we think, well, let me just hit the thumb once. When you hit the thumb once, he likes it. You hit it twice, likes it pretty good. When you hit it. Oh yeah, man, they really like this. And the same thing with the heart. You hit it once. I love this. You hit a couple of, oh yeah, he really likes this. He really loves this. And you hit it over and over. Oh man, let's send him more of this. And so if you're seeing stuff on your social media or on your website or on your search that you don't like, it's because you're not liking or hearting enough products for your computer to find out what is it that you really like. So it's just sending you junk until you like something because it's trying to build this profile of who you are. So when I say on this program, go ahead and hit those thumbs up. Hit those, like right now, hit those thumbs up. Just hit or hit the hearts, as many as you can. What'll happen is then you'll get notified of when I'm on and when I'm broadcasting and so forth.